It seems like your food's done. I won't keep you much longer. Here comes the cook.
Oh, goody. So I guess everything turned out alright then. It's a nice thing. You know, say, old man, what's your name?
My name is Darren. I knew it! The son, or, excuse me, the great,
Yeah, how many more?
15. Great grandson of one of the refugees. You see, even after Shannon was gone, still, the refugees, or the orphan children, they still came to Darien. He was still their father. So I'm one of their children, you see. And that's how I came to the story. It's been passed down from generation to generation.
Oh, well, fancy that. So, did he ever hear her like she said he would? You know, it'd be horrible if he didn't after that.
Oh, he did. Sometimes when the children were away, he would look out the window and listen. And you could hear her then.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, thank you. I do enjoy some milk. Wait a minute. What is that I see? Hey, old man, come look at this. Come look.
Oh, yeah, what is that there?
Is that a feather in my soup?
It appears it is. One lesson I have learned is to close your eyes when you eat the cooked soup.
Oh well. I hope this story has a happy ending.